Hi K-pop fans, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ari and I react to K-pop music and videos here on my channel. And today I'm excited because I'm going to be reacting to another video of Xdinary Heroes with their song Night of Fireworks, a special clip. I'm out of breath for no reason. Anyways, I don't know why I talk so fast. But yeah, I'm excited guys. I did react to their song instead, the live clip version and the music video, so go over there and check those out. But yeah, I'm excited for this one, so let's get started. Yes, I love when they do like the video camera vibes. Hey, bro. They got subtitles? Why are the subtitles in Korean? I need them to be in English. It's okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, vibes. Hey. They're such cuties. I like it. Was that a Harry Potter one? What a vibe! What a vibe! I have a Harry Potter one tattooed on me, y'all. It's Hermione's, if y'all watch Harry Potter. Yeah, oh, those chicken nuggets, what a vibe! He's like, girl, chill. Yes. Yes. I like it. They're such cuties. Yes. LOL, he's like. This is such a vibe. Like, I feel like I would play this in the car. Yes. Yes. Hey. Hey. Yes. LOL. Yes. They're such cuties. Yes, vocals. Hey. Yes, like guitar. I'm trying to also listen. Yes. Yes, vocals! I really like their sound. LOL, what a vibe. He's like, it's too hot up in here. Yes! Oh, don't cry! He looks terrified, like, bro, what are you doing? He's like, we're good. We survived. Yes! I really like their vocals. I feel like they have really, like, diverse vocals that, like, diverse. Is that the correct? No. Versatile. There you go. Versatile? Like, they could sing anything, like, and it would sound good. Like when they did Instead, I was like, dang, it really works with their vocals and music like this as well. And I just really like it. I feel like they could sing like a upbeat, kind of upbeat, would you say upbeat song like this, and it's so beautiful when they sing. They have such good vocals. Yes. I liked it. I thought it was cute. I thought it was fun. I recently got into Xdinary Heroes, I think with their when they came out with boy comics. And so like which was like a few months ago. But like oh, what was I gonna say? But yeah, I really like their sound. I feel like they're such a unique group, and I think they're so cute. They're so adorable. Like, look at them. Yes. LOL. Yes. Ooh. Oh, there was some doing it. Yes. I love seeing K-pop idols having a fun time. It's one of my favorite things to see, to witness. Yes, I would go to an Xdinary Heroes concert, and I would have a good time. Their vibe is so fun. Yes, vocals. I feel like the whole time I'd be like, yes! Yes! I feel like it's one of those songs where you jump and you're like... I feel like I would do that. I would do that. Go cry! I don't like watching K-pop idols cry, or anybody. It makes me so sad, even if it's happy tears. He's like, we did it. We're okay. Yes. I don't know what they said, but yes! I tend to clap even though I'm not there. It's a thing I do. Yay! Anyways, yeah, I liked it, guys. It was so fun. I feel like this is the type of music I would play. That too. But play in my car, driving, and I'm just like, yes, it's fine. Anyways, guys, I liked it, guys. Tell me in the comments any other groups or artists I should check out next, and I will. And tell me if you guys love this song, because I do. Thank you, guys. Bye!